Welcome back to Sharon's Crafts and More. Today I'm going to share with you my Michael's grab box haul that I got, when was it? Last week. I got a total of 12 boxes, and today I'm going to open 3 of those 12 boxes. Let's get started. Okay, here's the first box. Ooh, there's lots of good stuff in here. Really full, these boxes. Alright, this is looks like a put together Christmas tree, beads. That's cute. Good craft 3D Christmas tree. Good for a child to do. 2004 pieces. That's a lot. And I got a headband. This is cute. Cute little hat on top. And this, oh, look at this. A Santa. Collectible Santa. $39.99. That is really nice. And he has a little tree with the face on him and his beard. That is nice. Wow. I'm happy to get this. Next is the Merry and Bright tree. A stand-up tree. That was $16.99. Got a Noel star. That's very sturdy and heavy. $14.99. It's all glittery. And an ornament. That's nice. It has a little thing on there, a charm 2021. You can always take that off and just have like the ornament. Here's a sign, Happy Holidays. That was $14.99. And some mini Tiny Treasure presents. Those will come in handy for my Christmas village for next year. Here's another sign, Season's Greetings. And that was $14.99. And let's see. Some Christmas tags for gifts. Those are nice. Can always use these. Here's another headband. A present one. $12.99 for this. It's cute. And a Tiny Treasure thing. A little birdhouse with a wreath. Cute. That would be good in my Christmas village too. Some little trees, tiny trees. Another present. And here is a little clear pail. Could maybe hold paper clips or something, come in handy. There's a sticker book, 267 pages. That's cute. They got a lot of cute things in there. And tissue paper squares, red, green, and white. menorah, wooden menorah. This is $12.99. There's another sign that is $19.99, home for the holidays. That's pretty. Could always take the trees off. The trees are kind of banged up a little bit. Here's a Tiny Treasure little mini rocking horse. That's cute. More Tiny Treasures. What is this? This is Christmas Noel. It looks like a little mini garland. Those are $4.99 a piece. And here's like a present stack thing. This was $29.99. And another Tiny Treasure, Welcome to the North Pole. That's pretty with the cardinal on top. There's another sign, Noel. That's $9.99. Another mini present. And some mini wreaths. And this, oh, this is cute. A car with a tree and presents on top. Yeah, that's really cute. Let's see, what's the price? $39.99 for the car. And the last thing in this box is like a countdown, days till Christmas. The blocks, you can count down the days. And that's it for that box. Let's move on to the next box. Alright, let's see what's in this box. Ooh, looks like it's some good stuff. Hey, I got some picks. $5.99. These are pretty picks. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. Some bows that are open. One, 2 of those. Some bells. These are $5.99 a piece. I got 1, 2, 3 of those. Some pine cones, mini pine cones. Some have glitter and some are just normal pine cones. Those are pretty. They don't smell though. I got 1, 2. There's some red and green ones. Oh, that scared me. I didn't know what that was. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another bow. And let's see. Got some mini trees. These are cute. I like these. $4.99 a piece. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little red pick. I don't know what that's for. Move these over here. And I got 2 of those put together trees. 1, 2. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these of wire, $5.99 each. That would come in handy to make a wreath or something. And a mini tree skirt. That's pretty. $14.99. Oh, it's so soft. I like this. Very nice. And a box of cards, Christmas cards. And another box. These are nice to have. I can always use more Christmas cards. And this is a piece of something from the tree. And a little pick. I don't know. And then this floral pick assortment. Looks like little plastic wire things. $7.99. And some berries, holly berries. And then this is a garland. Pine and berry garland. How much is this? I don't know if there's a price on this. $49.99. Can you use it outside or indoors? Oh, that's nice. And that's it for this box. Okay, and this is box number 3 of part 1 of my video. Oh boy, this has a lot of good stuff too. There's another tree, Marion Bright. That stands up. $16.99. And a little red sleigh. $19.99. That is so cute. Even has a little seat in there. Very nice. I like that. And here's another headband. There's a snowflake. And foam stickers. Looks like angels. Another foam sticker. Some jingle bells. I like the colors of those. Gold and silver. And some more trees. Here's an advent calendar. It's missing the star, I think, goes up there. This is nice. I can always make like a, paint that up there, or try to get another, cut out a little star out of wood, glue it on. And some more foam stickers. Here is a bell. There's no price on this. That's cute. The little tabletop decoration. And here's a stocking holder, Christmas tree. This was $19.99. That's heavy. And another car. That was $39.99. And some reindeer garland. It's all tangled up. This is cute. It's the little sleigh. It's felt. This was $14.99. Reindeer sleigh garland. And here is another garland. Believe in the magic of Christmas. That's pretty. I like the color. $14.99. Oh, this is cute. Oh, what fun. Stand-up Christmas tree. And that was $14.99. And I got 2 headbands. Oh, one's missing a light. Oh, here it is. 2 of those. Whoops. And a little flock tree. It's pretty. And here is a tree made out of feathers. It's different. $14.99. Here are a plastic ornament. And put stuff in there, make your own ornaments. Got 2 of those. Another feather tree. Here's another sign. Happy Holidays. Oh, I like this one with the bell. $14.99. And a wreath hanger. It's soft red. It's $6.99. Oh, look at this. I got another Santa Claus. Oh, it's so cute. $29.99. Santa's list, and then he has kids' names on there. Oh, that is so cute. I like Santa's. Very nice. And that's it for that box. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and stay tuned for part 3. I'm going to open, or part 2. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to open 3 more boxes.